To set up bedtime mode in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we can enter modes. Now go for a bedtime, and that way we'll be able to continue the setup. Now we can turn it on right now or turn it off right here with this switch. Then there's when to turn on automatically. That means you can adjust the time when bedtime mode should toggle. For me, it's from 11 p.m. till 7 a.m. You can change this time however you like, and also enable this schedule for certain days of the week. So when they are like this, that means the Friday day is disabled for bedtime mode. Click on done when you're ready. Then there's allow access to your app usage and sensor data. That way you'll be able to enable or disable motion and light detection during your scheduled bedtime mode, and adjust the time zone history. We can allow both of the options, and here our bedtime mode is setup is almost finished. We can change the alarm behavior, turn off bedtime mode at next alarm. That means if you receive your alarm that is the, for example, wake up alarm, it will disable bedtime mode, which I think is a pretty good option. Then we have turn on while charging. That means when it will enable automatically when you charge your device, and your schedule will be disabled. And you can also pick none of the option to remove the schedule entirely. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.